Can I help you? Yeah, you guys keep laughing. I'm gonna call my friend. He's a cop. He'll sue you for harassment. All right. What the hell do you want, and why are you dressed like that?
It's not what we want, it's what El Topo wants.
El Topo?
He's got some business with you.
Come on, man, I gotta get home.
You don't do anything except what El Topo says.
And what exactly does El Topo say I should do?
Why don't you go ahead and ask him yourself?
I think you're looking for these. What are you gonna do with keys if you don't have a car? What are you, a bunch of wackos? I've never seen you guys before.
You haven't, but we've definitely seen you. You need to do something for me first.
And what would that be?
You and me, in a duel to the death.
Crazy, I don't even have a gun.
Don't you?
What are you, nuts? We can't have a standoff here. The police are gonna find us. Is it historical reenactment day or something?
I don't think we'll be needing to worry about the police. My conscience may not be real. Your soul may not be real. But these guns, and the bullets inside them, you better believe they're real. You're not the first one to not believe, and he won't be the last.
We will win.
20 paces. Then you let me go, right?
If my feet are off the ground after the last shot is fired, no one's gonna stop you. First order of business. Never turn your back on a man with a gun. El Muerte. So the plot thickens. Still out for justice, giving people like me what they deserve?
Deserve's got nothing to do with it.
Always did have a good sense of humor.
Be the man unknown. I'm the one you want.
It's his time. You can't change any of that.
Maybe not. We got a score to settle. And I've got a bullet with your name on it.
Have it your way.
What the hell is going on here?
That much is not important. For now you must go and never return to this place. The work here is finished. You are ready to go back to your own life, away from this hell.
What do you mean?
You will never understand that. We all have to die someday. We are not the lucky ones. We are the doomed to live here forever. You are not. You can go home now. Live for the rest of us.
I didn't know exactly what had transpired over my journey to the supermarket. I went in to get a lottery ticket, but I found out I've been gambling my life this entire time. What happened, I knew it would change me forever. And that I would no longer go through life as a... What the hell? Son of a bitch!